Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today I'm going to be doing another fine art flip. I had such a great time and fun time doing it last time, I wanted to do it again. So this is where I go out to the thrift stores and I find some kind of treasure painting to purchase that I did not create, and I take it home and I put my own spin on it. So I did one a little while ago and I just had a super fun time, so I figured I would do a Halloween edition. So today I'm going to be turning this into this. And I also have a special surprise that my cameraman actually did one today too. He did his own fine art flip. So he turned this into this. So if he and I can have a great time doing this, I hope it inspires you to go out and find your own fine art flip and explore your creative juices with it. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. I think that about does it for this one. I had a real lot of fun. I thought it was super cool once I started adding all of this kind of ghostly bouquet addition to it. So I hope you enjoyed the process, and I hope you find ways to have fun creating art in your own place or in your own studio.